to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how I make my homemade chicken shawarma. As you all know, living outside Africa can be unfair sometimes. There are stuffs you can easily get to buy within a blink and are very affordable too. Unlike here, even if you do, it's quite expensive and the taste is not as expected. So why not make yours at home with these easy steps and your family or guests will love it. So I have with me here my chicken breast, sausage, cucumber, carrots, cabbage, medium-sized onion, and then my lemon. I also have my mayonnaise, my ketchup, sweet chili sauce, suya mix, and then my chili powder, ground ginger, garlic powder, and then onion powder. I also have my all seasoning mix. This consists of black pepper and some chili, onions, thyme, and others. For the seasoning, you can use whatever you want or whatever you have available. Yeah, and then you are good to go. And not forgetting my flatbread. Yeah, this is the perfect white large bread for shawarma. If you don't get this, you can also use this or tortilla wraps. It's all perfect. So our shawarma is ready. As you can see, looks beautiful and the taste is so amazing. As you can see, I've already started eating mine. It's very delicious. So try this recipe and then let me know what you think, and I'm sure you're definitely going to love it. And to tell you this, I ended up using these flatbread instead of this, the one I showed you earlier. This is because while I was wrapping, it was breaking and then it was giving me a lot of stress. So I had to use this white wraps and then it turned out very, very nice. So you can see I'm having my shawarma with my freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Yeah, so like I said, give me a thumbs up if you love this video. And then also mixing the sweet chili sauce together with the mayonnaise and the ketchup with the veggies is very, very nice. You can also eat it as a breakfast. I'm already loving it. So have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye.